Welcome to Cloud PM. Let's learn how to create and track payment applications and schedule of values. Before creating your first payment application, add the company you're sending it to in the Project Companies module. Create a contract with the contract price and date in the Contracts module. For the first payment application, enter the billing period date, the contract name, and any project numbers if needed. Then, select and enter the retainage rate and choose the payment application type. Next, create the schedule of values. When adding line items, you can choose from three types: products and services, groups with products and services, and QuickBooks bundles with products and services. Please note, all products, services, and QuickBooks bundles you want to use in the schedule of values must first be entered in the Items module. When the products and services type is active, select an item from the pull-down menu and enter the scheduled value. When the group with products and services type is active, enter the group name, click Save, and then add the products and services with their scheduled values. With this type, the items are hidden from the payment application, and only the group name is displayed. You can also use this type for creating change orders. When the QuickBooks Bundles type is active, select the bundle from the list and enter the scheduled value for each item. QuickBooks Bundles can only be created in QuickBooks Online and imported into Cloud PM. With this type, the items are hidden from the payment application, and only the QuickBooks Bundles name is displayed. Next, add a revision. Enter the draft date, click Save, and generate the AIA G702 and G703 draft forms. If needed, print and sign the AIA forms, certify them, and upload them to the Approval Out section. Don't forget to enter the date and click Save. If signing the forms isn't required, simply enter the Approval Out date, change the status, create a transmittal sheet, and send the draft version to the recipient. Once the payment application is returned from approval, update the status, enter the date, and upload the certified forms if necessary. If the payment application is approved, you'll have the option to export the items to an invoice, which will then sync with your QuickBooks account. Please note, the first option for exporting items to an invoice can only be used if you have created and selected a retainage product or service in the Items module. We hope this helps you get started with creating payment applications. For more support, visit our help page or contact customer support. Thank you for choosing Cloud PM.